जहानाबाद के धनगामा में अवस्थित एसएस कॉलेज में इग्नू का नया अध्ययन केंद्र खोलने की मंजूरी मिल गई है। सुनिए इस मौके पर एसएस कॉलेज के प्राचार्य सुधीर कुमार मिश्र क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर एस.के. मिश्रा, प्रिंसिपल एसएस कॉलेज जहानाबाद, feel very much proud to inform you all that it is notified on 8th June 2021 regarding the establishment of Learners Study Center of IGNOU at SS College Jahanabad. Of course, this Learner Study Center at SS College Jahanabad will come into force from this new session, July 2021. Sir, such establishment of IGNOU Center at SS College Jahanabad will disperse its own benefit to all those candidates who are resided here in the close by vicinal areas and the outsides as well. In the notification of IGNOU, various programs are offered to start at SS College Jahanabad Center, and these are MA in Hindi, MA in English, MA in Economics, MA in Philosophy, MA in Commerce, Bachelor of Arts Space is General, and certificate course in disaster management as well. Sir, obviously it is well known to everyone that IGNOU is a central university, comes under the purview of MHRD, Government of India, having its 40 branches are abroad as well, acknowledged as the People's Universities, having its broad spectrum as well regarding to disperse the benefit to the students. Sir, as I hope, such benefits must get decentralized now, and the peoples of Jahanabad may also avail such benefit through the gate of SS College Jahanabad. Regarding the opening of such center at SS College Jahanabad, I would like to disperse my heartiest thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor IGNOU, Dr. Nageshwar Rao Sahab. Stiff contribution as displayed from the first time onwards. Dr. Abhilash Nayak Sahab, Regional Director, IGNOU Patna, and Dr. Asif Iqbal Sahab, Assistant Regional Director, IGNOU Patna. Their contributions are a lot for establishing the Learner Study Center at SS College. Sir, I have no words to express about them what the sincerities and effort they all have played for establishing here at SS College Jahanabad. They all are very much great and sympathetic fellows, and displaying their stiff contribution from first day onwards to till now. I feel very much proud to disperse my own purview regarding the contribution of our eminent faculty members regarding the same. In this continuance, the role of our retired teachers as Dr. Surinder Kumar Sahab, HOD Department of Economics, Dr. Sia Saran Sahab, HOD Department of Botany and Biotech, and working teachers Dr. Krishna Sir, Dr. Srinath Sarma Sahab, and all the eminent faculty members as Upender Babu, Department of Philosophy, Dr. Vivekanand Sir, Department of Psychology, the faculty members of English, faculty members of philosophy, and all newly appointed teachers having the good potency they all have to make any system becomes very much streamlined, as Vinod Rai Sahab, Madhav Sir, Deepak Praveen Sahab, Imran Sahab, Sneha Shroop Ma'am, and Nisa Rani Ma'am as well. The contribution of all those fellows are a lot regarding the establishment of Learner Study Center of IGNOU at SS College, Jahanabad. In addition to this, our official staffs having the good potency they all have, as Dwivedi ji, SO, Vivek ji, Neeraj ji, Media Coordinator SS College, Prem Kumar ji, and Subodh ji, Vocational in charge. They all contributed a lot regarding the establishment of such center at SS College, Jahanabad. I feel very much proud to displaying their contribution and the opening of LSC at Jahanabad now today. Wishing you all the best and hoping your sincere effort and active and cooperative steps for moving forwards legitimately and sympathetically as well. Thank you.